Good morning, this is Dave from Innovative Travelers. Today we're looking at a Sparter Cooler. You know, I reviewed those Yeti coolers and I was looking at what my other options are for coolers. And I really feel the Sparter is going to put the Yeti for a good comparison as we're thinking about it. You want to go out in these summer days and you want to take a cooler. You want a soft cooler. That's exactly what this is a nice soft cooler that will keep your stuff cold but be durable. So when you're trying to figure it out, I love the Yetis, but I have to tell you I love the Sparter, and I'm going to tell you why I love it. First thing I love is the handle. It's easy to grab, but not only that, I also, comes with the strap, can stick it over here. When you're going to the beach, you're carrying all kinds of things, chairs, whatever. You want to make sure your cooler's easy to hold and keep on. And that's one of the things I liked about it initially. Also, it's durable. So let's open the cooler. Now it's got this tight zipper, which usually would bother me, but on a cooler, I want it to be tight. The reason why I want it tight on a cooler is because I want to make sure my stuff is still cold. And if it's taking me time to close it and open it, I know it's getting sealed. When you're starting to consider that, you always have to as you think about a cooler. The top has this massive cooler thing. If you look at it, this massive cooler that keeps everything cold. Everything inside has an extra layer of styrofoam going all in. At the bottom, included, and I'll get this out, is a cooler pack. Right at the bottom, which is great. You stick this in the freezer, it sticks exactly in the right way. You put it in, it's down here. So now everything you stack on top of it will work. And that's one of the reasons I like it. Easy to carry, very durable, and can keep everything cold. If you're looking for a cooler bag, the Sparter is definitely one to consider. I'm going to put links and descriptions below. How big is it? Is the last question I always get asked. It's 12 inches high, it's 10 inches deep, and 12.5 inches wide. So it's big enough to hold stuff, but easy enough to carry. You want to manage that as you're doing coolers. I definitely think this can carry a whole picnic and everywhere you want to go. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. This is Dave from Innovative Travelers, and this is the Sparter Cooler. Definitely something to consider on those hot summer days and going to the beach. Have a great day.